What I wish I knew before I started trading. Trading can be an exciting and potentially lucrative venture, but it can also be daunting for beginners. The stock market is a complex and ever-changing environment, and without the right knowledge and strategies, it's easy to make costly mistakes. Here's your quick guide to avoid beginner mistakes. These tips are designed to help you navigate the initial stages of your trading journey with confidence and a clear strategy. Tip number 1. Start small. When you're just starting out, it's crucial to begin with a small investment. This allows you to get a feel for the market without risking too much of your capital. Don't throw all your money into one trade. Diversification is key to managing risk. By spreading your investments across different assets, you can protect yourself from significant losses. Begin with a small amount and learn as you go. As you gain more experience and confidence, you can gradually increase your investment amounts. Remember, trading is a marathon, not a sprint. Tip 2. Learn the basics. Before you start trading, it's essential to have a solid understanding of the fundamentals. This includes knowing how the stock market operates, the different types of securities, and the factors that influence market movements. Take some time to understand how the market works. There are plenty of resources available, from books and online courses to webinars and tutorials. Make use of these to build a strong foundation of knowledge. Read books, watch videos, and follow trusted sources. Staying informed about the latest market trends and news is crucial for making informed trading decisions. Follow reputable financial news outlets and analysts to keep up to date. Tip 3. Set a budget. It's important to determine how much money you're willing to invest and stick to that budget. This helps you avoid the temptation to invest more than you can afford to lose. Only use money you're okay with losing, just in case. Trading always carries a risk, and it's possible to lose your entire investment. By only using money you can afford to lose, you can trade with a clear mind and without undue stress. This helps you trade without stress. When you're not worried about losing money you can't afford to lose, you can make more rational and less emotional trading decisions. Tip 4. Keep your emotions in check. Trading can be an emotional roller coaster, with the highs of winning trades and the lows of losing ones. It's important to stay calm and not let your emotions dictate your trading decisions. Don't let fear or greed control your decisions. Fear can cause you to sell too early, while greed can lead you to hold on to losing trades for too long. Stick to your trading plan and make decisions based on logic and analysis. Stick to your plan no matter what. Having a well-thought-out trading plan is essential. This plan should outline your trading goals, risk tolerance, and strategies. Once you have a plan, it's important to stick to it, even when the market is volatile. And finally, tip number 5. Practice, practice, practice. Like any skill, trading requires practice. The more you trade, the better you'll become at spotting opportunities and making profitable trades. Use demo accounts to hone your skills without risking real money. Many trading platforms offer demo accounts where you can practice trading with virtual money. This is a great way to test your strategies and gain experience without any financial risk. Remember, every pro was once a beginner. Even the most successful traders started where you are now. With dedication, patience, and a willingness to learn, you can achieve trading success. Keep learning, stay patient, and happy trading. The journey to becoming a successful trader is a continuous learning process. Stay curious, keep educating yourself, and most importantly,